Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay. Today I'll review new project name is Whole Earth Foundation project. All the thing of Whole Earth Foundation project is good. Today we'll discuss about this project in details through their website and for my opinion. Hope you will be able to understand all the thing about this project. Okay, so don't skip the video, stay full video. So discuss the main topics of this project. So Whole Earth Foundation project, one of the best project in this sort. So everything is all of this project. Don't miss this video. If we earn this project, please stay with me. Okay, so we democratize this in infrastructure management. So exchange profit coins bit. So solution of this project. So when we examine the what broadly we see growing issue of gang infrastructure, unfortunately service provider governance this infrastructure assist have not less adequately maintains and renew the facility the manage. So problem imbalance access to information between service provider and citizen. So the lack of general incentive among parties to challenge the status quo. So approach to help the database grow a token for your contribution. So everything is all of this project. So ecosystem Whole Earth access OHA. So comprise the following 3K group information provide. So infrastructure service provide. So partners. So everything is all of this project. So information provide. So infrastructure service provide. So partner is supporting the ecosystem. So okay, so I hope you can understand. So tools, we are platform tools and fully and utilize the environmental database. So you can look at create a report about this condition of your local infrastructure, sharing the latest information with the community. The use intelligent machine learning application powered by the environmental database to obtain predictive insights about local infrastructure and make a smarter design. So use case water reduce maintenance cost and maximum water saving, energy bullet smart more energy efficient building. So and many more. We are constantly looking for a new and creative idea. Contact us to get evaluations. So project roadmap. Question 1 2021 project genes. So partnership with Fraxa begin development of the Whole Earth Explorer application. Question 2, so upcoming minister. So okay, this is a clear roadmap with experienced team. So news of this project. So news May 2021 the Whole Earth Foundation bonus 70% of the total token supply medium. So May 7 the Whole Earth Foundation and Nippon suit district launch POCO purpose for collecting and organizing data information and the information medium. So there is many details of this project. If you contact their team, your name, email, so describe your many details. So I have read the case, submit please contact. Okay, so I hope this project has a bright future So this project give us a very good profit. Okay, so no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Good luck everyone.